Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In today's video, let us see how to use the selection pane in Power BI desktop. Under view, we have selection here. If we click this, we can open the selection pane here. So it got two tabs under it, tab order and the layer order. So in this visual report, we have added few shapes and few cards here. If I click this, we can see those cards. Yes, actually, there are cards back of this shape. The shape is overlapping them. So the selection pane is mainly used to maintain the layer order of the visuals you add. It can be a shape or any visual or any text boxes. It can be anything. Whatever you add in this report page can be maintained in a order. As of now, the shape is at the top. So if I put it down, see, as soon as I drag the shape to the corner of this list, at the end of this list, all these visuals has been visible. So it was overlapping before. So we need to maintain the order. Shape first, on top of it, all the cards, and even this shape, arrow mark is also one of the shape, right? So it can be on top of this. So as based on this order, these visuals will be displayed. Thank you.